I would like to recap the Agile practices through this slide. Let us recollect the sprint planning. When the release meeting happens, there will be different iterations. Each iteration will have a sprint which consists of the requirements, and those requirements can be decomposed into design requirements, and design requirements can be composed into code requirements. Then code requirements can be considered for unit testing. Then from unit testing, if it is passed for integration, then the testing team will have integration test requirements also from by reading all the design principles and design specifications and code specifications to break the code, identify the defects also. So if you see any typical release planning, there will be more than two sprints will be there. It means more than two iterations will be there. It can go up to 5 or 4, depends on the size of the project and business users or product owners decision kind of thing. In this example, I have taken different sprints, and in each sprint I have divided into different functions, and those functions are going to be considered as reusable libraries to show return on investment for the sprint cycle. And in each sprint cycle there will be discovery phase where requirements can be identified, and those can be converted into design, and those can be converted for developing the code or front end any after the design. Then there can be testing happens for certification of the product. Then again some more requirements they can take it into the design and consider for code or development. Then it can be unit tested, it can be released. Once these all are done, all components related to that particular sprint can be combined together, and it can be tested it for component integration in the environments. So now let us move forward for the realistic environment in our example.